YouTube, welcome to the first video on my channel. I hope everybody is having a good day so far. Today is Sunday, May 5th. These shoes that I'm about to show y'all came out yesterday. Now, I've had my pair for about 2 weeks now. I got them during the Nike Shock Drop. That is showing up. Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, fire red, cement gray. The Bred 4s. I almost said fire red, man. Bred, black cement, whatever you want to call it. It's your shoe. You spent your money on it. It doesn't really matter. I prefer black cement just because I got a slight case of OCD and I feel like white cement, black cement should be a thing, just like the 3s, but that's just me. Here's the shoe. These are fire, bro. These are fire. Nike Air on the back. It works, you know. The Jumpman worked too. Like, I wasn't born when these came out, so I can't tell you how the older heads feel about the Nike Air being on the shoe. Me personally, I didn't care about the Jumpman. But I can say that it fills out the shoe, it fills out this back piece better than the Jumpman. It just looks nicer, you know. Nike Air on the bottom. OG Nike hang tag. These shits is fire, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. These are fire. They came out yesterday. A lot of pairs dropped. I don't know. I was seeing people online missing out a little bit, you know. Some people on Nike didn't get them. I had a couple homies that tried to get them yesterday on Nike. They struck out. They ended up still getting them. Like, other websites had them up for a minute. Eastbay had them up. Stores had pairs in store. A lot of pairs. This is a classic shoe though, so I'm not even mad that they dropped a lot of pairs of them. My pair personally, these gonna sit not worn too much for mad long. I'm gonna let people, you know, wear their pairs dirty as fuck. I got a couple wears out of my pair, as you can see. Yeah, you can see that. I got a couple wears out of my pair before they drop. But now that they out, a lot of people gonna be wearing these, and my pair gonna sit pretty at home. And then I'm gonna start pulling them out again when everybody else pair dirty. That's what happened with the white cements. I learned my lesson though. My white cements are beat. Yeah, that's it, man. What else is Nike Air on the inside? Dope as fuck. Upside down Air Jordan. Y'all can see that. Upside down Air Jordan. I remember when I was younger, I had the military blue 4s. And I don't remember. That was in 2000, I want to say 2006. I don't remember the Air Jordan being upside down on that pair. But that was a minute ago. I just had them. I didn't give a fuck about shoes like that when those came out. I remember actually when those came out, they came out around my birthday. And I was looking for another shoe and just settled with those because I couldn't find them, the one that I wanted. But these are fire. I keep looking at them, bro. These are dope as fuck. I'm not really gonna get into too many sneaker reviews or Jordan reviews specifically, only because I'm not really into all the other Jordans like that anymore. Like, as I got older, my style changed. I'm not really into, you know, the 7s, the 11s, 12s, all that. I'm not into that. 1s and 4s is really it for me. I might get into the 6s, 5s maybe, but that's really it for me. I don't really care to have a bunch of Jordans anymore. I have what I have. But that's the review. Keep showing it off because we haven't seen it in a long ass time. Keep showing it off because we haven't seen it in a long ass time. Bred Force. Dope shoe. Comment what you think about the shoe. Comment what you think about my channel so far. It's only one video, but I plan to put out more. Tell me what you want to see. Give me suggestions, criticisms. I'm open to everything. I'm new. Treat me right, man. Don't do me dirty, please. And I'm excited. You know, Bred Force. That's it on this one. I got another video coming out that I think is funny as hell. I got an Avengers Endgame video coming out with a whole lot of spoilers, but the movie came out last week, so if you ain't seen it, I don't know what to tell you. I don't really care. That's it, man. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. The last two especially. Comment and subscribe, please. Please. I'm gonna keep saying it. Comment and subscribe. And that's it. Signing out, man.